If you are breathing in and out through the nostrils here, and you do feel or sense that there's one nostril that's kind of clearer, more dominant, and one nostril that feels like it's getting less, take one hand, any hand, to the nostril that's getting a lot of air and see if you can just ever so slightly cover it. And exhale out through the mouth with a little sound. And now seal the lips. Inhale in through your nose. And exhale out through your nose. And keep doing this. And as you breathe in and out through your nose, just notice, really listen, lean in. I can't tell any difference. That's okay. Just slow down your breath and enjoy this time for yourself to slow down and be still. Nourishing your mind and your body and your heart space, bringing more balance into the rhythm of your life by slowing it in. And see if you can sense whether you are exhaling out through one nostril more than the other. See if there's a dominant nostril that you're breathing in and out of. Just see. And if you're